Sports Star by David K. Park. Illustrated by Chris Buffett. Ian loves to play sports, all kinds of different sports. Ian loves to play soccer. Here's Ian scoring a goal. Ian loves to play golf. Here's Ian making a birdie. Ian loves to play baseball. Here's Ian hitting a home run. Ian loves to play beach ball. Here's Ian spiking the ball. Ian loves to play basketball. Here's Ian dunking the ball. Ian loves to play tennis. Here's Ian hitting a forehand winner. Ian loves to snow ski. Here's Ian going downhill. Ian loves to race cars. Here's Ian winning the race. Ian loves to run. Here's Ian winning the 100-meter sprint. Ian loves to swim. Here's Ian underwater. Ian loves to surf. Here's Ian riding the waves. Ian loves to bike. Here's Ian on his two-wheeler. Here's Ian winning the gold medal for always trying his best.